Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional. And if you're worried for running affiliate links on Google Ads, then this video is for you because I got a similar question and I wanted to share with you. So here, moving on to the question: new to Google Ads, set an ad for credit card referral link so that whenever someone searches for Chase business card, my ad shows up on top as a sponsored ad, but it's getting disapproved, and the reason stated is destination not crawlable. How do I fix it? Please help. Okay, for those who don't know, whenever they are using any redirect, there are multiple redirects over there, which causes issues for the boot to get to the final destination. But even if it gets to the final destination, even then your ad will not be approved, because let me tell you an interesting thing over here, that Google does not allow affiliate links to run their ads, and the only way you can run their ad is by having your own landing page. I can understand you want to run up, for instance, also Google also recommend original owners to promote their product. So in case if you are going to see, if I search over there, I may see that there are no ads, and there is an interesting thing, some keywords are also trademark related, where people cannot show their ads. So but in case if you want to show your ad for the word like Chase business card, you guys need to understand that you need to have your own landing page. Also read out the policies of the original trademark company, that do they allow running search ads or search offers, because some brands have restrictions in running. So that also needed to be approved by the brand. So by default Google will not approve any affiliate link. So there are alternate ways, and one such way is creating a review based landing page, where you're going to discuss about your review, how did you like the product or not. You're going to discuss the cons and pros, and then eventually you can give them a link to buy now. That will be approved with certain disclosures on your website, providing them information that you do not own the page, own the company, and you're just recommending your feelings, something like this, and these are the affiliate links, something like this. So I'm telling you. However, this is one of the tool which I use, and it is the name of Spyfoo, to see who else is advertising. So I want to see, in case if there are any, advertisers running their ads, especially the affiliate ones. So no. However, you can see that this may be a good alternative option over here. You can see over here that this guy is doing a business card comparison. So an offer like this is going to help you in promoting, and I might try opening out and to see it out, in case if I get to see that do they allow it. So I can give you a good example of a landing page as well through that. So otherwise, there are other companies as well who are promoting things. So this can be another, an affiliate over here. Let me see it as well. So you can see over here, best Chase credit cards for 24. So this is a kind of a review page, where you are discussing what. So this is an ideal thing. You can do it over there to run it, and you can see over here when you apply now, you can see that at Chase secure website. So this is a very good way. So you need to come up with your own landing page. You cannot run it out. So you can see again, this is a comparison page, and new card and member offer and every. So this is a kind of an affiliate offer through which you can run it out. So in case if you want to run an affiliate product, you need to create a review page like this, or another inspiration could be. There are many inspirations. Once I was searching for clickbank products, the story was different. So you can follow this strategy and run it out, but you are not allowed to directly run the affiliate link on Google Ads, and your ads won't be approved from this way or another way. So yeah, and your account can also go into suspension. So best ways to use your own landing page to promote it. So I hope I answered your question. But guys, in case if you need a professional help with the Google Ads audit, setup or management services, in case if you want to hire me and my team for working out, so you can hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.